The Virgin Voyages cabin features a transformative style, from the bed that can convert between a bed and a couch, to the ambience that can take over the cabin and convert it from day to night in a moment. The cabin can change with the mood of the time, and it's all controlled by the centerpiece of it all, a tablet located on the desk. The tablet has three main areas, the primary being room controls, allowing you to easily change the brightness of the ceiling lights or turn them off entirely, as well as change the ambient lights and the desk light on and off at a moment's notice. Being portable allows you to control everything no matter where you may be in the cabin, including the temperature of the room. At the top, you have instant access controls to turn all the lights on the cabin on and off, as well as to control the curtains. Turning the TV on from the top left is available at any moment. You can then control it using the Entertainment tab. In there, you can view a variety of movies and TV shows that are available for free to view. Selecting one allows you to instantly play it on the TV or watch a trailer. When watching on the television, you can use the tablet to control it, allowing you to easily play, pause, fast forward, rewind, and even adjust the volume of the movie as you're watching. In addition to on-demand content, there are a few TV channels available. Primarily news, but also two special event channels. One showing the port side of the ship, and the other showing a live view from the bridge of the ship. The third tab features the services. That allows you to get instant access to requests or needs that you may have. With a direct communication to your room steward, you never have to wait for anything that you may need or pick up a phone. You can get it straight from the tablet. You can also set a preference for if you want your bed set up for a sofa, bed, or even have the option to view a tutorial on how to transform it yourself. And when you're done for the night, using your tablet from bed, you can even close your curtains and go to rest.